wasina ndi ogwashi wakpo na ndi Igbo abense onye ogwashi bụ onye beyi osina onye ogwashi bụ ndị Igbo ya bụ madam na nobe osina ndi ogwashi nke nobe osina ndi ogwashi bụ ndị Igbo abense kibu different between Igbo and Igbo gekwento madam bia biko okuli osina ndi Delta bụ ndị Igbo IBO osina bụ IBO Igbo madam so I'm confused between onye ogwashi bụ ndị Igbo then Anambra Imo bụ ndị Igbo so all the very strange na onye ogwashi bụ ya bụ ndị Delta kikikwa ndị Igbo Delta Igbo ndị Anioma Igbo ọ dịka okpuo nke nọbesi na onye ukwu anyị so the argument na that kibu onye ogwashi ga-ejibu Igbo ka ọ bụ ndị Anioma ga-ejibu Igbo ya ka nsị ka ngwa ụnụ n'ụtụtụ asha ogwashi ka nsị nọ na-eweghe this thing wasị na ndị ogwashi bụ ndị Igbo na ọ bụ na ndị Igbo so ọ bụ na ikwenye n'ife wa na-eme ọ bụ na ikwenyere this madam leave your comment in the comment section ndị Igbo na okwu ndị Igbo na ndị Anioma ka anyị kwuo ịlọ na ndị ogwashi bụ ndị Igbo madam ikwulikwe so ndị ogwashi abụ na ndị Igbo wa bụ ndị Igbo madam ọ bụ nakwa na ọkọ asịrị kwuo edo eziokwu
You all have heard what that woman said in that video. She said that from River Niger down to Anioma land is called Igbo, IBO, and that from that River Niger down to the southeast is called Igbo, IGBO. That woman is speaking out of ignorance. Ask the woman what is the meaning of Igbo, she don't know. During the colonial era, the British couldn't pronounce Igbo, IGBO. Instead, they started pronouncing it as Igbo, IBO. And that was how British started writing Igbo, Igbo, Igbo instead of Igbo. That was the way the British changed the original name of our communities and our regions. Ibuzo community was changed from Igbo Binuzo to Ibusa by the white people. Ebede community in Ukwane land was changed from Ebe Ede to Ebede. Ashaka community in Ukwane land was changed from Eshi Aka to Ashaka. Ask Ashaka people what is the meaning of Ashaka, they don't know. Because their original name have been corrupted. The Portuguese changed Ile Ibinu to Bini. Anambra was changed from Omambala to Anambra. That was how the white people changed the original name that our communities are being pronounced to what we don't know. During the colonial era in Otabobe community, which is present-day Kwale, the white people cannot pronounce Okwane. They started calling Okwane as Kwale. That is why that community is being called Kwale today. And you go see Okwane person, if you ask him, where are you from? Instead of him to tell you say he is from Okwane, he go tell you say he is from Kwale. During the colonial era, the white people did not call the southeast Igbo and called Anioma people Igbo. They called all of us Igbo, IBO. Now waiting white people call the southeast and Anioma people. If you check the documents that were written by white people, they wrote it as Western Igbo, Northern Igbo, Southern Igbo, Eastern Igbo. That was how these white explorers wrote everything. They not talk say Anioma people na Igbo, then Southeast people na Igbo. They not talk like that. So they write Kwale as Kwale Igbo. So they write Ikwere Igbo. Now so that they write them for other regions Igbo. They not write them as Igbo, but Igbo. And that's because they couldn't pronounce Igbo. They pronounce them as Igbo. So those are our Anioma people that are saying, Satis they go na Igbo, River Niger they come na Igbo. Make una stop them. Because if they talk like that, it shows say una not they read. Know your history. And that woman where they talk that thing now from Ogwashiuku, and Ogwashiuku is from Nri Kingdom in Anambra State. She they refer to Nri Kingdom in Anambra State as Igbo. And she's referring to Ogwashiuku and other Anioma people as Igbo. And with that, she is separating Anioma people from the southeast. When people don't know their history, that is how they talk, that is how they behave. Your community migrate from the southeast where everybody know. You suppose use your common sense, know say we and southeast people are brothers. So say our brothers for southeast they speak Igbo language. We Anioma people we they speak Igbo language. If she tell her children all these things now, her children go believe. All these children will believe say whatever their mothers and fathers told them is true. What they told them is right. It takes courage for Pikin to tell him mama say, mommy, stop to the call Anioma people Igbo. We are not Igbo. We are Igbo people. You explain for your mama, tell am say, na like this it happen, or see as the thing they happen. Make she fit know, so if she see her friend they talk like that, she can correct her friend. When you spread the wrong information, you are causing harm to the society. Anything where you know they show off, any question where you don't know the answer, better don't reply. Tell the person say you don't know. Anioma land is Igbo land and territory. The name that holds every Bia speaking people worldwide is Igbo. That name Igbo now hold the southeast. Now that name Igbo hold we the Igbo speaking people in south. Okwane is an Igbo speaking region in Anioma land. Oshimiri is an Igbo speaking region in Anioma land. Ika is an Igbo speaking region in Anioma land. Anyocha is an Igbo speaking region in Anioma land. Ikure is an Igbo speaking region in River State. Same with Oba, Ekpeye, Ndoni, Echie, Opobo, and many others. The name that holds all of us is Igbo. Other tribes in Nigeria, they are calling us Igbo. You could correct them, they thought say, it's not Igbo, it is Igbo. They go still hold ground, they call you that Igbo. We are Igbo people. Igbo have no meaning, but Igbo have meaning. Igbo means ancient. We are the Igbo people. We are Ndebo. We are Ndibo. Let's stop doing things that will be separating we and Anioma people from our brothers in the southeast. Some people in Anioma, they are of that attitude. They will call it, say, River Niger, they go na Igbo. River Niger, they go na Igbo. Just imagine. People will not know themselves. Why Benin people not going to claim on the thought say be their descendants? Why be say, you people don't know yourselves. When a person tell you say you don't know yourself, now big insult it be. Because anything passing by can claim you. For Okwane land, so you go see some for Okwane people that say Okwane is Benin Kingdom. Okwane belongs to Benin Kingdom. The same Benin Kingdom where they sell Okwane people into slavery. Now that slavery where they sell Okwane people into, now pursue Okwane people come out from Idu land, come our present location. In Idu land, now Okwane where be Igbo language, we they speak for there. And that was why Benin people were using us for slavery and sacrifice, because they know they understand our language. We and they not be the same people. Now you don't come out from Idu land, settle for Okwane land. You are still coming out to say that Okwane belongs to Benin Kingdom. That is the word of people that don't know themselves. Okwane person when no say no go talk say Okwane na Benin. Ika person when no say no go talk say Ika na Benin. In Benin Kingdom, what Benin Kingdom were calling we Okwane people, calling Ika people is Ibon. Ibon, which means Igbo. But as they sell our people into slavery, they kill our people, they give their juju. They call us that our name Igbo as Ibon. Bring Ibon, make we key. How many Ibon you buy? That was why they are calling us Ibon. If not, Ibon does not mean slave in Benin language. Slave in Benin language is pronounced as Ovien. So those Okwane people that are saying that Igbo means slave in Okwane dialect, they are lying. People don't know Okwane language. If you know Okwane language, you're not going to ever see that word Igbo as slave there, not there. That in a circumstance, now make some Okwane people that say Igbo means slave. Why that name Igbo they pain them? Now because Igbo is what they are calling Okwane people when they were using Okwane people for slavery and sacrifice in the past. This information that I'm telling you came from Benin history book. Now Benin people write them like that for their history. And in Benin history, the Igbos that Benin people were selling into slavery, using for sacrifice, are Anioma people. Benin kid do not cross southeast go collect human beings, say they won't sell. Now Anioma people that they sell. So that they call Anioma people Igbo. That name Igbo did not start today. It started since the history of Ndibo. When we Anioma people were in the two kingdom, now that name Igbo that they call us. That's why as they capture our ancestors that time, that they call them Igbo. And because waiting Benin people use our ancestors do that time not good, whether they call our ancestors Igbo. Now why some Okwane people will tell you say Igbo means slave? Igbo does not mean slave. Igbo means ancients. The word for slave in Okwane land is Osu. Now why you go to see some Okwane people will tell you say we are Igbo, not Igbo? Who you want to deceive? You do tell people when they read history, I be people when not they read history. I don't understand. Ogwashuku people are of Igbo origin, and they still speak that Igbo language till date. If we Okwane people are not of Igbo origin, why are we speaking Igbo language? If Ika people are not of Igbo origin, why are Ika people speaking Igbo language? If you say that Okwane people are Benin people, how come did they stop speaking Benin language and started speaking Igbo language? Urobo and Isogo are very closer to we Okwane people. How come Okwane people not they speak like Urobo and Isoko to show say they be Benin people, say na Benin kingdom they from come? But their language exposed them. This is to tell you that Okwane people are not Benin people. Say that from that Idu land come out, so not me say they be Benin people. Same way in Ika land, Ika people are of Igbo origin and not of Benin origin. In Okwane land, we don't have any Benin deity in Okwane land. In Ika land, they don't have any Benin deity in Ika land. If to say Ika and Okwane are Benin people, Benin deities for full Okwane land. We for they do Benin festivals. We for they bear Benin titles. We for they do the way Benin people they do. We forget Benin people character, but we don't have all those things because we are not Benin people. We are Igbo people. Those Anioma people that are referring to we Anioma people as Igbo. You people should stop it. We are not Igbo. We are Igbo people. If you know yourself, you go know where you belong. If you know yourself, you go know what rightly belongs to you. If you know yourself, nobody go come claim you the way Benin people they claim us for Anioma land. If you know yourself, minority tribes for this house are not going to talk say Anioma people are not Igbo people. No minority tribe for this Nigeria like we Okwane people. All these minority tribe where they see for Delta State, where they see for Akwa Ibom State. The other day, one boy from Akwa Ibom, they thought say there's nothing like Igbo. Igbo is not a tribe. Igbo is just a language of different people speaking Igbo language. That Igbo is not a major tribe in Nigeria. That Ibibio is a major tribe in Nigeria. That Wazobia is wrong. That what they should be using is Wazodi. That D is an Ibibio word for come. That they should be using Wazodi and not Wazobia. Ibibio, that is a minority tribe, wants to be a majority by force. We will never allow minorities to divide Igbo nation. All those minorities that want to keep Igbo nation divided, we will surely keep them where they belong, and that is their minority status. They will surely remain a minority. As if we say Igbo nation not spoil another person's own, we in Igbo will not go sit by watch people they spoil our own. It shall never be possible. Anioma people, know yourself. Know your brothers. Know where you belong. Nobody in this country is powerful for being a minority. Igbo nation is powerful in Nigeria today because we are a majority. Forget say other tribes for this country hate us. We still remain a majority. And the only thing that will save Igbo nation is for Igbo to unite. It's for Igbo to embrace each other. It's for Igbo to know that they are one people. It's for Igbo to focus on Igbo agenda. The best friend of Igbo in this country called Nigeria is Igbo agenda. If you be Igbo person, put Igbo first. Igbo, put Igbo first. If we in Igbo learn how to put Igbo agenda first, we will surely succeed in this country. If Igbo nation unite, other tribes will stop insulting us in this country. Because we are united. We are strong. Anioma people, wake up. We Anioma people are Igbo people. We are one people with our brothers in the southeast. It's expected of us to support Senator Debunking and make sure that we actualize Anioma state and zone it to the southeast. Our southeast brothers should support Anioma state and make sure that Anioma state is the only state that will be created for the southeast. If 2 states will be given to the southeast, then Anioma state should come first before any other state that was proposed from the southeast to be created. Igbo Bofu, we will never lose this chance. Anioma state must be actualized and zoned to the southeast. Ishiagwale.